Hey everyone, I'm Betsy Solon, director here at the Wadleigh Memorial Library in Milford, and we just want to let you know, even though the building is closed, we are still offering a lot of great things for you and lots of great services. Behind me here are all the new books that came out last week. We've got some more coming out this morning. We have a brand new Curbside Go menu, which we are going to walk through. But basically, what you do is you order your items online on your library account, or you give us a call, and one of our lovely assistants at the desk will take your call and put your items aside for you. When you're ready to pick up your items, just give us a call. Say you're heading over. When you get here, park in the back parking lot by the handicap entrance. Come up to the door and press the doorbell with your foot. One of us will come to the door and ask you your name, and then we will hand out your items to you for you to pick up. It's pretty easy. If you have something you need printed, send us an email and we will print it out and do the same thing, do a curbside pickup.